Hello guys, in the previous class we had already completed differential equation part 1 and we had decided that we are to start with the second part that starts with linear differential equation. How does a linear differential equation look like? It appears in two different forms. A linear differential equation appears in two different forms if it is a simpler type, otherwise it will have also a third form. Generally you are asked to solve these two types for your board exams, and there is a third one which is an extensive idea. We shall do all the three. They are not difficult, but you have to remember the technique. The first one appears like this: dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are two functions. P is a function of x, say q is equal to function of x, another function g of x. The second one appears in the reverse form like dx by dy plus px is equal to q, where p and q are two functions of y. P say is f of y, while q will be g of y, and keeping the same, there is a third form called, which is Bernoulli's theorem. In this form there is a special type of equation which has to be converted either to this form or that form, and it appears with a higher power of the variable on the right hand side. So it may appear like dy by dx plus py is equal to y to the power n, or dx by dy plus px is equal to x to the power n, and p and q have the natural formats. For this we have p is a function of x, q is another function of x, g of x. Similarly for this, p will be a function of y, f of y, while q will be another function of y, which is g of y. So now we shall solve each one after another. First let us go for the first type. Insert linear differential equation type 1, dy by dx plus py is equal to q type. Let the question be dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x square. What are the steps? Step 1, write the form, write it in the form this one. So you have to write dy by dx plus what is remaining other than y, that is 1 by x. So write 1 by x into y. Where is q? Q is x square. So here step 2, mention value of p, value of q, and find integration factor. Onwards we shall call it if. In short, integration factor if. For this case, this is e to the power p dx. So find that one. So let us find it. Take e to the power p is 1 by x. So this is 1 by x dx. This will be, as you know, this is e to the power integration of dx by x. So this will be e to the power ln x. As you know, e to the power logarithm of something is logarithm, and the e factor they vanish and you get x. So here if is equal to x. Step 3, multiply both the sides of the equation by if. Here if is x, so we have to multiply both sides of the equation by x. So x into dy by dx, we write x into dy by dx plus 1 by x into y is equal to x into x square. That means we get x dy by dx plus y is equal to x cube. Then comes step 4. In this step you have to see that this part has been in this form, d by dx of the y factor and the if factor, y e to the power p dx is q. See that the equation is in the form that you have to see. So let us find. This is d by dx. Here we have got x dy by dx plus y is equal to x cube. That means this is d by dx of y into x, which is x cube. We can check if we differentiate yx. Let us keep x and derive y. So x into dy by dx, and then keep y, derive x. Derivative of x is equal to 1. So we have dxy is equal to x, dx goes to that side, x cube dx. Now integrating both the sides. At this point there is a last step, step 5. Integrate both the sides to get the solution. So integrating dxy, we get integration of x cube dx. That means we get xy is equal to x to the power 4 upon 4 plus c. That means x, this is the solution. So what have we done? In the first step we put the equation, we put the given equation in this form, the linear differential equation form, and see whether it is a dy by dx type or dxy by dy type. If it is dy by dx type, then the integration factor will be e to the power p dx. If it will be dx by dy, then the integrating factor will be e to the power p dy, integration of p dy. So this is the method to solve the first kind. Let us go for the type 2. And what did we do? In the first step we wrote it in the form, then we found the integrating factor, then we multiplied the integrating factor to both the sides to get this, and then we have to verify, check if this is put in this form. Differentiation of the y factor and the integrating factor is the second function q, and then we integrate both the sides to get the solution. And let us follow this exactly same method for the second type. Type 2 is dx by dy by dy plus px is equal to q, where p is a function of y while q is a function of y2. Let us take a question. Solve dx by dy plus x by 2y is equal to 5y. So first step 1 is put it in the form, this form. So here dx by dy plus px, so keeping x away, we find 1 by 2y into x is equal to q is 5y here. So we found p is equal to 1 by 2y, q is equal to 5y, and our integrating factor if. Now step 2, we have to find integrating factor. Integrating factor will be e to the power integration of p dy. So it will be e to the power integration of 1 by 2y dy. So how much will this be? That will be half is a constant, so half integration of dy by y. This will be e to the power half ln y. That can be e to the power ln y to the power half. E and ln vanish, so you get y to the power half. Now multiplying step 3, multiplying both the sides of the equation with if, we have y to the power half into the left side of the equation, dx by dy plus x by 2y is equal to 5y. So multiply, you get root y dx by dy plus x root y by 2y is equal to 5y root y. Let us check that the equation is in the step 4 will be, we have to check whether it is in the form d by dx of your x and p. So it will be x here and the integrating factor y to the power half is equal to the q factor, and here it is 5y root y. So we have to check whether the equation has been in this form. If we differentiate, we can find y to the power 1 by 2 and derivative of x is 1. If we differentiate x root y by 2y, you can find this is root y dx by dy plus x by 2 root y is equal to 5y root y. And if we multiply, if we just differentiate, this is d by dy, sorry, d by dy. So if we differentiate, now we keep y to the power half and differentiate x with y, so dx by dy, and keep x and differentiate this, so half y to the power half minus 1, this much, which will be root y dx by dy plus x by 2 root y. See, the left side of this equation looks like that, and the right side is 5y root y, 5y root y. So we have got the same thing. So we have to study that this appears in this form. Now we have dxy to the power half is equal to 5y root y dy. Integrating both the sides, step 5, integrate both the sides, so you get integration of dx root y, or yes, x root y is in 5 into integration of y root y, means y to the power 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2 dy. So you get x root y here, on the other side you get 5, and this is y to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus k or c. That means x root y is 5 y to the power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus c. 5 cancels, you get x root y is equal to 2 y to the power 5 by 2 plus c. This is the solution. So this is the method in which we solve the second type. And what is the Bernoulli's form? in a Bernoulli's form, Bernoulli's theorem, we have an equation like say dy by dx plus py is equal to qy to the power n. In this kind of problem, we have to divide both the sides. We have to divide by y to the power n, and then we have to put another variable z for y to the power 1 minus n and convert it into the linear differential equation form, then solve it. See how I am doing it. Let the question be one like this. Solve say minus 2 dy by dx plus y upon x is equal to xy cube. This is given. We have to find where is y to the power n. This one is y cube. So dividing both the sides, by y cube, so that this part, the second part only contains cube. We get 1 by y cube, say we get 2 by y cube minus 2 by y cube dy by dx plus y divided by y cube will give you y square. So 1 by x y square is equal to x. Now putting, let us put, let z is equal to y to the power 1 minus n. N was 3 here, so 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So let us put z is equal to y to the power minus 2, so that we have dz by dy, dz by dx will be equal to d by dx of y to the power minus 2, which will be minus 2, y to the power minus 2 minus 1 means minus 3, and dy by dx. And here simplifying this, we get dz by dx is equal to minus 2 by y cube dy by dx. So putting this value in the equation, how much we get? This equation is converted into the form dz by dx, the first term. The second term, in which we know that we have taken y to the power minus 2 is equal to z, means z is equal to 1 upon y square. So here there is a 1 by y square, so we can write 1 by x into 1 by y square is z. So 1 by x into z is equal to x. So this is now in the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. See, p and q are functions of x, z is the variable. So this is a linear differential equation, and that can be done in the either ways. This is the part type 1 type. So the left, we have to find IE, integrating factor. Now e to the power p dx will be, this side is e to the power integration of 1 by x dx, which is e to the power ln x, which is x. So multiplying both the sides, we get x dz by dx plus x into 1 by x is 1, so plus z is equal to x into x is x square. Now we have to see whether the left side has been differentiation of the variable and the integrating factor x. Integrating factor was x. See, keeping x we differentiate z, so we get dz by dx. Keeping z we differentiate x, so we get 1. So here we have got it. This is x square. So dzx will be x square dx. Integrating both the sides, now we get d integration of dzx is equal to integration of x square dx. That means we get zx is equal to x cube by 3 plus c. Now we can replace z by the original value, so we get x z is 1 by y square, so x by y square is equal to x cube by 3 plus c. You can keep this equation here or simplify for a better result, for a better looking result, and this can be the answer too. So this is the solution. Herewith we conclude the part 2 of differential equation, which generally centers around linear differential equations that appear in three forms. The first form and second form are simpler types. They are directly in linear differential equation, but the third form is Bernoulli's equation, Bernoulli's theorem, in which there is a y to the power n factor which we have to divide and technically use a process so that the whole equation is again converted to the linear differential equation form. Then we do it like the type 1 and type 2. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel Subhash Sir's Classes. For the next period, let us wait, and in the next part we are concluding the chapter, and till then, bye. Thank you.